Sir, ito, there's your PSP, sir. Here the memory card, the USB 64 GB. Sorry for my English, sir, ha. This is bad English, sorry. This is your unit PS2, sir. Yan. The two controllers, sir. Sir, this is your PS2. This is your memory card with jailbreak Pantuna. I try to explain to you the operation of you open the PS2, sir, and there's no memory. Insert memory. Just insert and press browser X. Enter memory card X. And corrupted data, just like here in app. Just go back, circle. And voila, the pre-MacBoot configuration is going out. Just the other video, sir. Pick the open PS2 loader, just like that. Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir, this is your PS2 unit. One memory card, Pantuna, jailbreak. I show you the operation to operate the jailbreak. USB 64 GB. Audio video for your TV and power supply. This is the two controller, sir. So sorry for my English, sir, ha, but I'll give it my best for my English. Okay, sir. Just open the PS2 like that. Open PS2 and wait for the MacBoot. Sir, like that. And go to open PS2 loader X. But when you open, sir, just go to open PS2 loader and we'll get to the open games. Just wait, sir. Here's your games, oh. Yan, like that. I'm showing you NBA SS3 X. Sir, okay. I will fix this and go to the Lalamove. We'll deliver to you right away. Thank you, sir, for buying.